students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Today I discuss about the next part of the yesterday's videos. Before videos, what is this? This is the today discuss about the statistics of class 9 standard. I already made a video. The first part of the statistics I already discussed in this video is what is statistics, introduction of statistics, what is data, and what is the representation of the data, and what is primary data, what is secondary data. And another thing I already discussed in my previous video, this is ungrouped frequency distribution table. Now in this video I just discussed about the group frequency distribution table. Group data, how we can arrange the group data in a frequency distribution table. This is the main thing of discussion of today's video. Okay, that's why I just take a question. What is this? The relative humidity in percent of certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. In a 30 days relative humidity is collected for any media or anywhere. We collect some humidities in 30 days in a month. Okay, this is the collection of the secondary data. This data is called the secondary data. We collect some data from any media or anywhere, the humidity, relative humidity in a month. Okay, in a month of 30 days. Now this is as follows, that in percentage also, and now I make a distribution, frequency distribution table in the group data. So many data are there. That's why if I arrange the all data in ungrouped way, this is very difficult to understand which number is 1 and which number is 2, and this is very confusing also. That's why we just take the group. Okay, now just this is construct a group frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88. Then this group is called the classes. Which group I take to contain the all data, this small group is called the classes. Okay, now just like this 84 to 86, first I take the group 84 to 86, then 86 to 88, then 88 to 90, just like this. Okay, now I make the group data. This is, here I write the relative humidity. The relative humidity, and this is in percent also, and second is tally mark. You have to write the tally mark. This is for understanding, easy understanding, and the number of data in this group is called the frequency. The number of data in this group, each group number of data is called the frequency. And in my previous video I already discussed the number of the each. I just take the some data and the marks in mathematics marks. I think so. In the mathematics marks, 10 number got 1 students, or 20 number got 2 students. Then the number of the students, how many students got in a particular number, is called the frequency. Okay, the number, same thing, got the same number, got a same thing, got how many students, this number is called the frequency in the ungrouped data. And the group data is in the classes, in this range, in these classes, the how many humidity is belong, this is called the frequency. Okay, now first I take 84 to 86. This is the first class, and the second class 86 to 88, then 88 to 90, and first you just select What is the lowest humidity? The minimum humidity is, and this is 84.9, and the maximum humidity, this is the, which is the maximum number here? The maximum number is, I think so, 97, 97.3, or any other maximum number of humidity here? No. 97.3 is the maximum number of humidity. Maximum humidity is 97.3 in a particular day. That's why we take up to 100. The class we take, the minimum humidity is 84.9, and we take from 84, and the maximum humidity is 97.3. Just I take the class up to 100. Okay. Then 90 to 92. 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98, 98 to 100. This is, now just you count, take the humidity 84 to 86. How many humidity present here? 84 to 86, and just you write here 84 to 86, yes, no, 86.5 is greater than 86, then here 1 also, and 84 to 86, no, not at all, and here 84 to 86, no, only one frequency, 84 to 86, in this class one humidity is present. And then 86 to 88, 86 to 88, just you collect here 86 to 88, then here 1, 86 to 88, 86 to 88, no, not here, also be 1. Okay, then 88 to 90, then 88 to 90, now take 88 to 90, okay, here 88 to 90, 9.2 is greater than 90, 88 to 90, 88 to 90, here 1, and 88 to 92, 88 to 90 also 2, here is 2, okay. And then 90 to 92, just to take the mark also, okay. Now this is too much difficult, which is in which group, you also draw the line. And then 90 to 92 is here, 90 to 92 here, sorry, this is 90 to 92 1, and this is greater here also, no, 92 here also, and 90 to 92, 90 to 92, no, not at all, no. Then 90 to 92 is also 2, here also 2, and then and then 92 to 94, just you observe 92 to 94, then 92 to 94, here 92, and here 92 to 92, here also, and here also 92 to 94, 3 days. Now the humidity was 3 days, the humidity was 92 to 94 in this range, in this class, okay. And then 94 to 96, how many days? 94 to 96, here only 1, 94 to 96 is greater, 94 here 2, here only 3, and 94 to 96 is 4, no, not at all, and then here 4, this is also 4, okay. And then 96 to 98, 96 to 98, just you look, 96 to 98, 96 to 98, here 1, 96 to 98, here 2, 3, and 3, 4, Yes, this is also 4. And then the last one, 98 to 100, is 1, 2, 3, 98 to 100, 4. Here also 98 to 100. Here also 98 to 100. Here also be 4. And then you just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4, 17 plus 4 is, if I do the addition, this is not 30. Here is the 30 days collection present, but somewhere I can do the wrong. Okay, now I check again. You also can check, because this is so many numbers here, na? That's why some mistakes are there, I think. Otherwise it will be 30. But first one is 1, this is okay. Second also be okay. Third 88, 90, this is also. And 92, 92, this is also. And then here I check. This is just, you observe here 92 to 94. Again I just observe 92 to 94. And then 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Yes, here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7. Okay, and now then here 94 to 96. Just I take 94 to 96. 94 to 96. 94 to 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 94 to 5 and another here, yes, 6 and 5 and then 6. 94 to this is 6 and then 96 to 98. 96 to 98, just you count 96 to 98. 1, 96 to 98, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 96 to 98, and then 96, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6. This is 6 also. Okay, now here and then yes, now 7. Okay, and then this is a 98 to 100, 98 to 100, 1, 2 and 98 to 100, 3 and 98 to 100, 3 and 4. Okay, now this is also correct. Here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19 and 19 plus 19 plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 7, 30. Yes, then total is Now is correct. All of you, please do carefully. This is very confusing. So many confusion arise in my also. You have to face the same confusion. Okay, you all of you just see carefully. You can use any other color also for the identification. And okay, now when the total is 30, then you just think this is the correct. And the question is, then which season is tell about this humidity? Which season you think? This is so many humidity in which month? This is rainy season. The rainy season the humidity is the highest. Then the season is rainy. Okay, then like this type of question comes from this question also. And what is the range? The range of these classes or the frequency distribution table, this table is called the frequency distribution table, because here is frequency and this table is called the frequency distribution table. Then what is the range? Range means highest humidity minus the lowest humidity. Then the highest data minus the lowest data is called the range of the frequency distribution table. Range of this data. Okay, now I just find the range of this frequency distribution. The second question is come the range. Okay, the range is the difference. The highest to the lowest. Highest value, highest data minus the lowest data is called the range. Okay, then the highest data here, I just take the highest data 99.2 and the lowest data here 84.9, and then you do the subtraction, then 3 and 1, then 5 and 4 and then 1. This is the range. This is the range of this frequency distribution table. Then all the data, the range of this data is collected from the data in media, and anywhere also the range is 14.3. And what is the lower limit and the upper limit? Then the lower limit, you take any class. This is the classes. I already discussed about the class. The lower number is called the lower limit and the upper number is called the upper limit. Now I discuss about the lower limit and the upper limit. You take the any class just you take, then the lower limit, the lower number is called the lower limit and the upper number is called the upper limit. And what is the range? The lower data and subtract the lower data, difference the lower data and the highest data is called the range. And the classes, you just take the class, divide the all data in few classes. In this is the class, and 1, 2, 3 was like this. This is the class, and the lower limit and the upper limit. The any class you take, the lowest number is called the lower limit and the highest number is called the upper limit. Okay. Now up to this I discuss in this video. Now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.